What's going on, kings and queens, entrepreneurs? Appreciate you taking your quick time to watch this quick little video. I'm going to show you what digital marketing platform I have been using to grow my business on my brand side, as well as a business with just simply helping entrepreneurs like yourself grow your business, right? And I always tell people it's always great to have tools all in kind of like one spot, and I don't have to go worry about this subscription and all of this, right? So we'll get into it a little bit and let you get a little preview of it. Okay, go some of my tools. So you can build websites. You see Mailing Boss, that's email marketing. A video tag tool, like if you create a video, you can have a link that'll pop up. Click on it, it'll take a person to your product or your service. Design resources. I see a lot of people that have Instagrams. How would it feel if you had an Instagram autoresponder, right? So let's go to the builders. You can even create your app on here, right? Directory builder, webinar builder, ELearning. Like ELearning is basically like if you have a skill set or you have knowledge, you want to build you a course, you can have people get signed up for your course and you can be able to earn from ELearning. Got the chat builder. Okay, let's go out of here. Let's go to email and engagement. Love Mailing Boss. I love automation. The best decision I ever made by getting this platform, because for years when I started, less than 6 years ago, I was doing a lot of things manual. And when I really found out things like this exist, I was totally blown, and I had wasted so much time. I learned a lot through that, right? So, okay, you got the messenger chatbot. That's if you got a Facebook business page. If you want automation, like if somebody send you a message, you can have a bot that's already set up with different things that you want to engage with the client or the customer. Script generator. A lot of people have hard times creating different scripts inside of groups or just on their website to get engagement. You can learn how to build a script right there. Okay, let's go out of this. Design and video. Okay, those of you that like to, either take pictures or photographers or anything like that, you can have your own magazine builder, the Mock Studio. So if you have a brand, you have a logo, you can put your logo inside billboards, cameras, iPhones, Androids, and just get you more engagement foreign as you putting it out there. You have a video funnel builder. Let's see what else we got on here. Others, right? You got Page SEO Report. Let's just say you have a website. Everybody should have a website for one. But if you don't have a website, I suggest you get one as soon as possible. But SEO stands for search engine optimization. And what usually happens is somebody go online and they're searching for something or they're using keywords. It'll be able to show yours on Google or anything like that. So I'm going to give you a quick example. Think about Starbucks. Their keyword would be coffee, right? If I put their website in and put coffee as the keyword, it'll give me a whole report on how they can improve that website. So imagine if you had that tool, or even if you had that tool to be able to charge people to just get it. You can download it, turn it into a PDF, and you can end up giving it to them, right? Okay, you got your social auto post app, right? You have your Facebook business page, and you can't always be there. You can already set up some things for Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, whatever it is, and it'll all be done in your social auto post app, right? So got your URL shortener, you got marketplace if you got products and services. Website agency, if you want to build your website agency, helping people learn how to create websites, you can do that as well. So it's a lot more on here that I'm not going to really get into because it would take up too much time. I'm really just trying to make it as quick as possible for you to be able to look at it. I will also drop a link to a blog that'll show you how you can get started and break it down a little bit more. But I also want to show this, right? Let me switch into desktop form. Okay. Got to show people that things are real. This one I love to share. Like people, we share things every day. If you share information that you can't earn from, I don't understand why you're not doing it. Can give you a quick example of that. You tell somebody you got some chips, some Doritos from Walmart. They go to Walmart and buy those chips. You didn't get paid from Walmart. You didn't get paid for that person, even though you marketed it to them and they went to go buy it. So there you go. All right. With this platform, I love it because I get to earn residually for helping other entrepreneurs like myself or other businesses like myself get an all-in-one platform, because that's all it's about, right? So for the next 30 days, estimating that I'm going to have $331 that I'm going to have reoccurring. Now, all results are not typical, and you really have to learn, right? If you look at the word learn, take the L off. There you go, right? So look at this. I'm going to scroll down here. I'm going to click on get paid. All right, go to affiliates. Check this out. Look at this. On whole, I have $97. Available, I have $94. And you can see how much I have earned where it said paid over 10K when it comes down to this amazing, amazing marketing platform. So if I was you, I would be in my inbox like right now getting this. And you can get you a 14-day free trial if you want to just try it. But like I said, I'm going to put the blog link inside of the group, or even if you seen this video from not inside of a group, just hit me up. I'll show you the blog, or I can help you get started as well. So peace and blessings to everybody that's viewing this. But I just wanted to show y'all really quick how powerful, you see my name at the top, how powerful this platform truly is. Have a blessed day. Peace and abundance to you all.